Hello. A gaga? Yes, I agree. Oh, a gaga. Be careful. The books are gonna fall. What are you gonna read? A book? You're gonna read a book about Hanukkah? Yeah? Hanukkah's over. What else do you want to read? Good. How about this book about a snowman? That's not my snowman. You like this book? Yeah, feel his fuzzy hat. Feel the fuzzy hat. It's a good book. Want to open it? Open it up. See? Feel his buttons. Whoop, and feel his mittens. See his mittens? Yeah. Whoop, and see the scarf? Yeah, fuzzy scarf. It's soft. How about his nose? Look at his nose. Feel his nose. Good job. Yeah, it's squishy, right? Gaga. The end. What else do you have in there? More books? Here, why don't we move this out here? Come here, Josh. Joshua, come over here. There's more to do over here. Sweetie, turn around. Joshy, look. It's Mr. Bear. Come get Mr. Bear over here. Come get him.